Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make Google Drive link to share files. So if you also want to make Google Drive link to share files, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Google Drive makes sharing files very much easier. So if you also want to make the Google Drive link to share files, it is actually very easy. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Drive. If you're using mobile device, you can simply open the application for Drive. If you're using PC or laptop, simply launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. After that, click on the search bar and type in drive.google.com. After that, you can see over here Google Drive will be opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in order to create the shareable link, for that what you have to do is create a new folder, or you can also create the link for existing folder. Here I'm just going to create a new folder. So if you want to create it, simply click on the new option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you'll be able to find several options over here: new folder, file upload, folder upload, etc. Simply click on the option new folder. Now after that, you'll be able to give the title to the folder. So simply enter the title over here. After that, click on the create option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here the folder that you created will be in the My Drive section. So make sure My Drive option is selected. Now over here in this folder right here, you'll be able to find three dots. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you'll be able to find several options like open with, download, rename, share, organize, folder information, etc. So simply click on the share option. Now after that, you'll be able to find two options over here: share and copy link. So first of all, what you have to do is click on the share option that you can see on the screen. What you have to do is give the access to anyone who opens the link. For that, over here you'll be able to find the section for general access. You can see over here right now the access is restricted, so simply click on this option. Now after that, simply click on the option anyone with the link. Now after that, anyone with the link will be able to access this folder and share the files over here. Now if you want to share the link, for that simply click on the option copy link. Now after that, the link will be copied. Now go ahead and share this link to the person with whom you want to share the files. Now whenever that person opens the link, you can see over here that particular folder will be opened where you'll be able to share the link. Like this, you'll be able to make Google Drive link to share files. So that is how you make Google Drive link to share files. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.